Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be recapping a few things about Tavey Dee and what she has accomplished in her years of working online, guys. So this is an article that I touched on in a previous video, guys. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna go over it again. So here's what we got. Okay, this is Tavey Dee, obviously. And here are some of her accomplishments in this article, guys. You can easily look this up and do a more careful reading yourselves, but here we go. Okay, she has coached more than 20,000 people online and modern money, generating over 20 720,000 from her digital business, guys. She has definitely made a name for herself in the online marketing industry and is pretty well known. And check this out. She's only 28 years old, guys. She's actually pretty young. She's a single mom too, has a few kids. And if we scroll down, you'll see that somewhere in here, she's actually a high school dropout, guys. So maybe some of you who are watching this are kind of doubtful about starting your own online business, or maybe you've been pretty experienced. You would say you're pretty experienced, but you haven't really got the success you are looking for, guys. And maybe that is giving you some self-doubt, guys. But hey, if she can do it, then you definitely can too, guys. Because she didn't. She at the time she didn't even have a high school education, guys, and that is huge. Okay, this is just proof that if anyone wants to dedicate, if anyone is truly after something, guys, and they're going to do anything to get it, then they're eventually going to get it, guys. It's all about perseverance. And actually, I'm going to go over to her Instagram right now, so you kind of see some of the other things that she does. So she is a digital marketer and branding coach, forex trader, crypto investor, advertising agency, and owner, guys. So here's some of her posts and some of the things she talks about. So I'm trying to quickly skim over this stuff. You guys can go over it a little more on your own time because I got to keep this video rolling. So here we go. Let's click this link right here. So this is like a link to our 10x income system, of course, and this is pretty new, guys. I actually have a link to it in the description, guys, so you can end up on this page once you click it and get quick access to it. It's only $2.97 now, guys. Giant price cut, not going to last long. 365-day money back guarantee. So take advantage of that. But here we go. Back to our Instagram, guys. Click that link again. And here we go. So here she has a 0 to 6 figure mentorship and boot camp in August explained. I'm not sure if this is old, but I'm kind of going over this stuff for the first time, guys. And see, shop all digital marketing courses. Let me check that out real quick. Okay, sorry for the slow loading screen, guys. But here we go. Okay. Okay, so it looks like she's selling some social media marketing courses as well, guys. This I think I saw this once. But here we go. I'm gonna quickly skim through it, guys. So she teaches other things as well related to online marketing, as you already saw. That's kind of going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I definitely hope this information was helpful, guys. I do encourage you to do your own research on your own time, guys, before you decide to jump into something like this. But there is a 365-day money back guarantee for all her 10x members, guys, who decide to purchase that program through my link below in the description, guys. So stay tuned for more content, guys. And if there's anything else you want me to cover in a future video, be sure to let me know in the comments below, guys. Just share your thoughts and opinions, guys. It's super appreciated. And if you really like this video and enjoy the content, give me a thumbs up, guys. All right. See you next time.